Hi, welcome back to HOSTBOX channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. The previous session I explained about the data link layer, part of the data link layer, that is CRC, cycle redundancy check. Please kindly support the channel and check the playlist for get the continuation of the video lessons. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for who want to prepare and crack the GateUgc and university as well as learn the fundamentals of computer networks. Today we are going to see the topic called various medium access control protocols in area of data link layer. Let's go for session today. Before going session today, we go for a real-time example where it's interconnected with the medium access control protocols. The analogy is, let's assume that the faculty in a college asking question to the student. Question asked by the student faculty. So let's assume that the students answering at a time. So if students at a time answering, what will happen? The faculty response is get the answer from each student without collaborate or something, without crosstalk or noise. So similarly, in medium access controls, if there is a remember medium access control also we have discussed why we need and so much important like that. So if there is a dedicated link between the center and the receiver, then the data link layer control is sufficient. Remember, there will be an exclusive link between center and receiver means okay, but what will happen if there is no dedicated link present? Then multiple sessions can access the channel simultaneously. Hence this session create a conflict called, the name is called collision and avoid crosstalk. Just I told you in the classroom, if all students are more than 20 students are answering the question, give the answer means what happen, everyone make a cross noise only. So teacher can't get it, faculty can't get it which answer, who are saying answer correctly. In the job of a teacher is faculty is what, get the answer from everyone, student 1, student 2, and so on properly. Here this you go for medium access control protocol because these are the protocols helpful to required to decrease the collision as well as avoid the crosstalk. What is meant by collision? The thing is the basic question. What is meant by collision? Collision is nothing but if more than two stages are node want to communicate, they do the data transmission without knowing the status of the channel. That time what will happen? The data may be lost or overlap or collapsed. So that is called collision. So the purpose of medium access control is decrease the collision as well as avoid the crosstalk. Moreover, these multiple access protocols are classified into three categories. One is called random access protocol. Sorry, here as shown in the diagram. Another one is called control access protocols. At last, channelization protocols. In this random access protocols, we have subdivisions like Aloha, CSMA, CSMA CD, CSMA CA. In controlled access protocols, we have options called methods called reservation, polling, token ring, token passing, like that. And channelization protocols, FTMA, we have mechanism like FTMA, TDMA, CDMA. To discover for lots of this tutorial, the upcoming session definitely explain what are the topics not covering here. First one, random access protocols. In this, all stations have same superiority. That is, no station has more priority than another station. That means any station can send data depending on medium state. It may be idle or busy. It has two features. That means there is no fixed time for sending data and there is no fixed sequence of stations sending data. Let's assume that there will be a network bus topology A, station A, B, C, D is C and D is there. So here what happened? There is no time, fixed time, there is no sequence. So anytime communicate, A can communicate B or D and C can communicate B and D can communicate A and so on. So what will happen if all the stations are communicating at a time? What happens? It creates a collision, conflict. That's called collision. How do you avoid? Collision happens, data blast or overlap. How do you avoid? So I reduce it. If you want to avoid and reduce, the random access protocols follow the following methodologies. Methods for reduce the collision, that is called Aloha, another called CSMA and CSMA CD, followed that is collision detection and CSMA with collision avoidance. Here Aloha is one of the very important one, and compared to Aloha, CSMA, CD and CD. Here, sorry, here CSMA, CD and CA are very important when you go for the GateUgc exams. Every year there will be questions when you choose the topic of networks. Definitely question will come up. Sorry for inconvenience. A very important. So very important area. Aloha. Then CSMA CD, CSMA CA. We discussed in the upcoming sessions. Here Aloha it have a vulnerable time, and these for Aloha protocol following the simple formula. Very simple, very easy. If you know the formula, we can make it the make it and solve the problems of transmission time and so on. Next we go for controlled access. Here in this, the data is sent by that station which is approved by all other stations. That means what? There will be a is there, it will A and B is there, means these are called approved by the channel. Then only A and B can communicate. If A and B communicate, then other stations will be ideally sit. We have to wait. A and B communicate, or C and B after approval communicate means remaining should be wait. Here there will be two mechanisms there to make successful of controller access, that is called polling, another one called token polling. Sorry, token reservation, not polling, reservation. So here just now told diagram. Token passing, sorry, polling and token passing. So polling in the sense what? Suppose the system A is ready to communicate, it will get a chance to finish the data transmission. After B is ready, it have a chance win, like election win. B have a chance, then it can do. Or else if C have a chance, C have to do the transmission, and remaining stations have to wait for data transmission in the channel. Like that will be there. So polling is the one. Another one is called a token reservation. Token reservation follows the concept of token passing. The details we see in the upcoming session. Another last one is channel. Here, sorry for that. There is not channel polling. That is token reservation. Token reservation. Let's go for last one. That is channelized protocols. Channelization means what? In this, the available bandwidth of the link is shared in time, frequency, and code to multiple stations to access channels simultaneously. Okay, here there will be two methods. One is called FTMA, another called TDMA. That is frequency division multiple access. Another one is the time division multiple access. So let's assume that in what will happen FDMA, here the available bandwidth is divided into equal bands, so that each station can be allocated its own band. So here frequency is divided to make the data transfer successfully, send and receive. And time division, what happen opposite to the FDMA, that here the bandwidth is shared between multiple stations. To avoid collision time, it's divided into slots, and stations are allotted this slot to transmit data. That means the A station, there will be time slot for A, and as in the diagram, time slot for A, time slot for B, and time slot for C. In this within that particular time, data will be transmitted. So here channelization, generally available bandwidth of the link is shared in time, frequency, or code to multiple stations. These all are about the important points about the various multiple access protocols. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.